Wow, lemongrass, a popular herb grown in Nigeria and other parts of the world, also used in the famous Nigerian pepper soup, and a herb that is added to other herbs to cure typhoid and malaria fever naturally. Do you know that lemongrass has lots of natural benefits, and among the benefits, lemongrass also aids in weight loss? Do you know? In this video, I'm going to show you a whole lot of benefits that you can get from the common lemongrass grown around you. So sit back, relax as I take you to the video. Let's go.
When there's no hope hiding, no chance concealing what deep.
Hello lovelies, welcome to Ella Skincare, where I give you the best DIYs on skincare, cream reviews and natural remedy. If this is your first time on my channel, you are absolutely welcome, and if you're returning, you are welcome also. If you like the content that I create and you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Hit the red subscribe button to subscribe now to this channel, and also hit the post notification bell to get notified anytime I upload new videos. Don't also forget to give you a big fat thumbs up if you like this video, and also follow me on my Instagram handle to see so many posts I post there and not here. Okay, I'll talk about the wonderful benefits of lemongrass. Lemongrass is popularly grown in Asia, and here in Nigeria, where I come from, Nigeria has lots of lemongrass. I mean, everywhere in Nigeria, and particularly in Delta State, you can see lemongrass everywhere, like anywhere. In fact, lemongrass is just part of some grasses that most people actually clear them away or burn them away because they don't know the uses of lemongrass. And some people here in Nigeria think that lemongrass is only used for agbo, mixing agbo concoction and also pepper soup. They think that's where it ends, but no, lemongrass is great to use as tea, and lemongrass has a lot of benefit, and that's what I'm going to show you in this video. So sit back, relax and enjoy this video, because every part of this video is very important. Okay, so you find this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up, and also hit the subscribe button to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Don't also forget to hit the post notification bell to get notified anytime I upload new videos. Till I see you in my next one, I always say remain blessed.